Welcome back. Today's lesson is about multiple choice test tips. I've written that on the board behind me. Now this is something that is very good to know because many of the tests that you take throughout your life are going to be a multiple choice test, which means it's either A, B, C, or D, which is the answer. You don't have to create the answer, you just have to find the answer among those four choices. Well, there are some very good rules that have been shown to be true throughout the years. The first rule is that you should always have a guess answer. Now, a guess answer is an answer like when you just have no idea what the correct answer is. The correct guess answer is either B or C, and I'll tell you why. Statistics have been done, that's numbers, have been done on multiple choice tests, and it's been found out that A is the answer only 23% of the time. Same thing with D, it's the answer only 23% of the time. You see, what test makers try to do is they try to hide the correct answer. Well, you can't hide it if it's first, and it's not hidden if it's last either. So they try to hide the correct answer in the middle too. So actually B and C are the correct answers 27% of the time, as opposed to 23% of the time for A and D. So if you have to guess, guess either B or C. When the teacher says 2 minutes left, then you don't have time to read that last paragraph and to write all the answers down. You just have to fill up your answer sheet. Just put B, 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 finish the test. Because chances are some of those B's are going to be correct, and then your final mark will be higher than it would. Don't go B, C, B, C, B, C, because the answers might be C, B, C, B, C, B, and then you get all of them wrong. Choose only one of these correct answers and figure out what that is right now. Tell yourself, anytime I'm going to guess at a multiple choice test, I'm going to guess B or C, but only one of those. The second thing is any answer that is different from the other three answers is incorrect, and I'll tell you why. Well, let's identify which one is different from the others. First of all, I told her do not talk to him. I told her not talking him. I told her not to talk to him. Oops, I think I made a mistake here. I'm going to go back and correct that because that should be to him. T-O. Now it's correct. To him. Okay, because I didn't have the to in my answer here. The third one, I told her not to talk to him. And the fourth one, I told her to not talk to him. Which one looks very different from the others? Well, you see here we have talk, we have talk, we have talk, we have not, we have lots of nots there. This one here, however, talking with the ing on the end is the only one. Therefore, this is probably not the correct answer. It is too different from the other three answers. The third one, the answers that are almost the same are probably one of the two answers. Which ones are almost the same here? Well, if you look at all of these, notice not to talk, to not talk, same words. Therefore, one of these two has got to be the right answer. The others are different from this. So find the answer choices that are almost the same, and then flip a coin and look at it. Okay, I'm going to choose the second one. And just make a 50-50 chance, because your chances of getting it right are 50-50, which is a pretty good odds, not 1 in 4, which is a 25%. So you have a 50-50 chance of getting it right. The last rule is, and this is used for really, really difficult ones, is that find the answer that has the most repetitions, the most things in common with the other answers. So let's look at the repetitions. We have talk, we have talk, we have talk, so that's 3 repetitions, so this one has a repetition. We have not, well, not, okay, I'll underline it, even though it's on all 4. I guess I don't have to because it's in all 4. We have two, that's it. So which ones have the most repetition? Either C or D. So the ones with the most repetition. So one of those is going to be the answer. And for those of you who already know the grammar here, C is your correct answer. It follows all 4 of those rules about getting the correct answer on there. I told her not to talk to him. And by the way, the grammar here is Not goes before the infinitive, not in the middle of the infinitive. Although many people do it here, it's still considered incorrect. That's the rules. Bye for now.